Hey, it's Aaron, and if you're watching this video right now, maybe you're checking out this receipt reward app called Coinout, and maybe you're wondering, can you really save money by using this cashback little receipt app, right? Let's check it all out. Anytime you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy, okay? Now, on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly, right? So let's check out Coinout to find out whether this is the good or the ugly. Is this a good way for you to save money, make money, or maybe there are better ways online out there, right? Now, Coinout is a application where you can basically get cash back on your receipts. This is based in the US mainly. So if you're outside of the US, don't worry, stick around till the end of this video. I'm going to show you another cool way to generate some income online, all right? Now, they were really, they were made famous by being on Shark Tank, and they were since taken over by another company, and they have moved to basically, cashback receipts, right? Let's see how this actually works, right? So you can download the app from the App Store, right? The Google App Store. And the way it works is there are different levels, okay? There's gold, there's diamond. And depending on how much you upload receipts will depend on how many different levels that you move up, all right? And as you shop in the different places, wherever it is, okay, again here you can connect them to Amazon, Walmart, Target, Starbucks, Kroger, Instacart, those kind of things, right? And the way it works is you're going to have to upload the receipts after you have actually made your purchases, all right? And based on how many receipts you've uploaded will correspond to how many points you actually get. Now, here's how it works, all right? At the different levels, you're going to get different points for different receipts. Now, if you're at the diamond level, which is the highest, you'll get 50 points per receipt. If you're at the gold level, it'll be slightly lower. If you're at the free level, then it will be a little bit lower than that, okay? So on the diamond level, I'm just going to give you an idea here. 10,000 points equates to about $10, okay? And you can then take the $10 and you can withdraw it either through gift cards or through PayPal, all right? Now, it's going to take you a little while to get to $10. That's the thing that people don't realize about some of these cashback, apps and receipt, programs and things like that. If you do the math, 50 points divided by 10,000 points to get $10 on Coinout is 200 receipts, all right? Now, you have to ask yourself, how long is it going to take you to get 200 receipts? That's going to take a while, all right? Even if you are making purchases from all these different places like Amazon and Walmart and Target and Starbucks and things like that, still that's 200 separate purchases, if that makes sense, right? So to get to $10, even at the diamond level for Coinout, it might take you 3 months. It might take you 4 months. It might take you 5 months to do that. It might take you even longer. It might take you 6 months plus in order for you to get $10, okay? So while it does work and they do reward you for uploading your receipts, you're not generating a lot of money here, all right? But it does take a little bit of time because you have to remember to keep your receipt. You have to take it home, and then you have to open the app and you have to scan it, right? And we'll talk about some of the issues that it seems like they've been facing, right? But you scan the paper receipt, as you can see right here. There's also some other ways to generate a little bit of extra coins if you want, but the main way is really to basically upload your receipts, all right? Now, let's see what some people have said about Coinout. All right, because that's really important too. So if you come to Trustpilot, right? Trustpilot has given it a 1.8 star out of 5 stars. Anything under 4 star is usually really bad. Now, there aren't that many reviews, to be fair. It's only 97 reviews, but most of them are really bad. 78% of them have given it 1 star, okay? Now, I'm not going to go through every single 1-star review, but I'm just going to summarize what most people have said. This person says, Brandy Johnson says the shittiest app ever, right? This is very up to date, okay? And basically what a lot of people are saying is that it doesn't recognize a lot of receipts, unfortunately, right? So for a receipt app, what you're going to find is, and you may or may not experience this, okay? So sometimes it depends on your luck, on that particular update. Is the app glitchy or not at that particular time? Sometimes it's fine, but sometimes it may not recognize some of your receipts, unfortunately, right? Another thing is that there's quite a few glitches sometimes. So some people have reported that they have been uploading receipts for months and everything's fine, and then all of a sudden they get banned, right? They're not able to access their account. It says that they've egregiously violated something on the app when they've said that they've actually not done anything wrong, okay? So sometimes that could potentially happen, and if that does happen to you, that could be super frustrating, because if you've been downloading apps for 3 months in a row and then you're finally ready to withdraw, and then it says that you've done something wrong. That could be pretty frustrating, right? If you're a potential app user. Okay, some other people have said that they can't withdraw, so no matter what they do, they can't upgrade to a gold package. So they've updated their receipts, and then it says you can only withdraw if you reach the gold level, and they can't seem to upgrade, right? Or to the diamond level, they can't seem to upgrade. Some people have even withdrawn and then they didn't actually get the money. So I'm not saying that this is happening to everyone, but some people have reported. Again, we want to take this with a pinch of salt, okay? Because a lot of people have downloaded this, all right? 1 million downloads, but the reviews here, they're only 97, right? And generally speaking, most people will only come to complain or write a review when something's gone wrong. All right, so 97 out of 1 million is quite little. So again, you got to take this with a pinch of salt. And there are people that are saying that it's a good app, no problems. They've got they redeemed $3 on Amazon. So obviously people are getting results with this. It's just that occasionally you may face some glitches, you may face some issues. So what I would say is that no app is perfect, right? Generally speaking, this should work. A lot of people have gotten, there are a lot of downloads, but there have been some people that have given it some pretty poor ratings. All right, so if you want to check it out, you can come to the Google Play Store and you can check out Coinout. Here's what I would say about it, right? Give it a shot. If it doesn't give you the coins, maybe you can decide to move on to another application if you're looking for cashback. Another thing that you have to understand about cashback apps, especially receipt downloading apps, is that they really don't reward you that much, right? Let's go back to the numbers briefly, okay? Think about it. If you're at a diamond level and you're receiving 50 points per receipt, you still have to upload 200 receipts in order to get to $10. That's a lot of receipts. 200 receipts, okay? So that's going to take a long time, right? So if this is something that where you like to do it for fun anyway, you just like to collect receipts and maybe make a little bit of money, then this might be something that you might be interested in. But if you're here because you want to generate income or save a lot of money, you're not really going to save a ton of money using a receipt app like Coinout, unfortunately, right? A better way would be to look at generating income using applications or websites or online business models versus trying to save every little penny, because really, saving $10 in 6 months is really not going to change your life if you really think about it, right? It's really little savings. I mean, that's like saving $1.50 every month. It's very, very little savings. There are other ways that you can save, right? There are other cashback applications where you can save a lot more than that, $10, $20, $30 a month. But saving $1.50 a month, roughly, okay, this is on average, is really little savings. But if you want to check it out, you can come to the Google Play Store, Coinout, all right? Now, if you're here watching this video right now, maybe you're looking for a way to generate more income, not only save. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money online. I've seen all sorts of different websites, apps, business models, right? And I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly, right? I've tested a lot of them, and out of all the good ones that I've tested, there's one strategy that I used to completely change my life. I used it to quit my full-time job. I generate 5 times more than I used to in my old job, right? And I think this is one of the best ways to generate income online out there. So if you're looking for something that can allow you to generate even more, you can check out my free masterclass right below, where I actually document the process if you would like to check that out. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review of Coinout. All the best to you, and see you on another video review. Take care.